Welcome back to my channel once again. So today is a good news to all my viewers, those who want to create an website without any stress, putting in any effort. Then this video is for you. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can create a website that is eye-catching for just within 2 minutes. Okay, so this is how we are going to go about it. If you don't know about this channel help you guys on doing things online just with an easy steps. Okay, so if you want more about my tips, just tap on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll do all the work, the research for you to get everything at your doorstep. Okay, so with that, I'm just going to take you through the process of how to develop this website without any stress. So the first step is I'm going to show you an AI software that you will just write to the AI software. I want you to create a landing page website for me, or I want you to create a blogging website for me. Or sometimes you can just tell the AI software, I want you to create a cloning website for me, and this AI software will create the website for you without doing anything again. So all you need for the second step is just to edit the site and put in your credentials, and that is the end. You finish creating website just within 2 minutes. Okay, so if you want to watch that, make sure you stay to me to the end of this video, and let me take you to my screen right now and show you. I'm going to show you is an AI website. So just type into your browser mizo.io. Okay, so let's do that. Mizo.io, then you hit enter. So after you hit enter, it will take you to a platform like this. So you can see the page here. So to develop a simple website just by telling this AI to do that for you, click on get started here. So when you click on get started, this will load the website for you. Okay, so let's wait for you when it's load. Okay, good. So it will take you to a page like this. So this is where you have to write your description or what you want the AI to do for you, or simply means just write in a sentence what you want or which website you want this AI to develop for you. So I'm just going to tell this AI to develop a landing page website. So let me write that. Create a landing page website for me. So as I told you in my introduction, I just tell you just to write to this AI that I want you to create this particular website for me, either a blog website, it can be any other school website, any website that you tell this AI to create for you, to do that for you. So I just write there, create a landing page website for me. So after that, click on generate site. So you wait for this AI to go through everything and generate the website for you. Good. So this AI has finished developing the website or the landing page for us. So to continue, just click on save and customize. Good. So this page has been created. So scroll down and come and click on continue with just free plan, because we don't want to subscribe to their premium plan. If you want to, you can do that as well. Okay, so good. So this is where we are going to do what, to edit our website within no time. So first thing first, you come to the side here. Everything that you need to edit is at the side here, which is the left side here. Okay, so when you click on site, you can change the logo here to your own logo. So let's just click on the logo here and see you can upload a logo from your computer. So when you click on upload here, you just take you to your computer to upload a picture that you want. So just click on upload, okay, and then it will take you to your how do you call it, your computer to pick a picture. So this is where it sends me. So to save time, I'm just going to pass you through with all these things, just simple way. So you will do the work yourself. So you can change the name land page here to, let's say, your own brand name. Let's say Figo as my name. I'll just write it there. So you can change the title here. You can change the title here as well. Okay, so you clean everything and right there, let's say Figo FX website. Okay, simple like this. Good. So we have finished doing this. So we go to hero, which is the content FX landing page. So you can see the simple way I'm just doing the editing, just an example. So you can edit what is here. You can see what is here. You can edit this written here. You know, normally landing page is just a page that will collect email. So you can see, so you can write something here to convince the person, which is here, what they've written here. You can just clean it by this side and then you write your own thing. You can use this to, this one said join our watch list. You can change it to what, join, only join. Okay, you can change this picture here by just clicking on this picture here and then you upload your own picture. Okay, simple like that. So this is how simple you can do it. So after you finish editing everything, you can change the website photo, which is the features here. So when you scroll, you are going to see this lady, or I don't know if it's lady or man here. So you have to change this to into your own image as well. So by doing so, your name, you can enter your name here. So let's put our name here. Let's claim the name which is appearing here to be our name. So let's write our name, Figo. Good. So that is it. So again, once you have finished editing everything here, you just have to do what, put in or publish this website. So to publish this website, just come to the top here and click on publish. So when you click on publish, this is going to load for you. Okay, this is going to load for you. So let's wait for the saving to be done. Good. So this has finished publishing the website. So to go to your website dashboard, just make sure you copy the link of your website. So this is the link of your website. You can see my name inside. So just click and copy this. Okay, so copy link address. So click on site dashboard. So it will take you to your site dashboard and you will see all the sites that I have developed. Okay, so make sure you create an account when you just open the site. Okay, you have to create an account with them before they can save all your website for you. Good. So you just finished watching this interesting video. So before you go, make sure you tap on the subscribe button to join me as one family, because I do tutorials on things like this. Okay, so when you subscribe to my channel, I promise to offer you tutorials every single week. Okay, you are going to receive notification from me like 3 every single week in category of these tutorials. Okay, so the link that you saw on your screen or we copy is your website link. Okay, so that is the link that you are going to show to your friends, or a link that when someone visit, he or she will go to your site. So if you even want to use this simple website as a website that you can use anywhere with your own unique URL, which is a domain name that you will buy and put on this website. As you have been seeing, some people, like, they will say figofs.com. Okay, if you want something like that, you can comment on the comment section, and then I will help you with that. And even more tips are coming. If you have some problem, you can just use the comment section and details your problems, and then I will try and do tutorials on them. And even when you come to my Telegram channel, that one, you can chat me directly there. So if you want more tutorials from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. That one is very important. That is the only way you can get notified when I upload videos. So goodbye and stay tuned to my channel. Bye.